All right, this is homework practice 10-5. We are using models to add. Again, the students have been working on this all week. So what we're basically doing is drawing squares for hundreds, lines for tens, and dots for ones so that the students can see exactly what needs to happen. They get a visual approach. So for instance, this is 341. So 300s plus 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 1 plus 127. So 120 and 7. So then they can add together and regroup if needed. So we have 468. Okay? So it's fairly simple, just gives the students a visual approach. So 524 plus 249. So 524. So we're going to go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 plus 20, 10, 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 249, 100, 200, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can see that our tens group is going to be higher than 9 because we've got 9 already in the ones place. So we know that 9 plus 4 is 13. What we can do is take our 10 and move it over here, and then we have just our 3 left. So if we add our 10, because we had 2 and 4 before, we had 6, now we have 7. So that would be 500 and, 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the tens, and then 3. So that's how we do our regrouping there using just drawings so that they can kind of see how things work in the place value boxes. Okay, heading on to our next page. We're looking for patterns. We're just going to be going through where it has the boxes above our opportunities where they can regroup. So it's just a reminder because we're doing 3-digit numbers. Okay, so we've got 9 plus 3 we know is 12. We put a 2 in the ones place and bring that 1 over, that one group of tens. 1 plus 0 is 0, plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 3. So we've got 332. So 9 plus 3 again is the same. We've got 12 over here. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. And this time we have 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 9 plus 3 is 12. Same thing, 2 in the ones place because this is the ones column. And bring that 1 over to the tens. 1 plus 0 is 0, plus 2 is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. And it says, write and solve the next addition problem that follows the pattern. So we can see here we've got 209, 309, 409. So the next one in that pattern would be 509. And then let's take a look at our pattern here. 123, 223, 323. So our next one would be 423 as we go across in the pattern. 9 plus 3 is 12. We've got our same pattern here. 1 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So we get 932. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to look for the pattern. In fact, if we want to go ahead and take a look at it now, we can get ready for the next one. 315, 415, 515, 615, 427, 327, 227. Now with this pattern, we see it's 400, 300, 200, so it's going to be 100, but the numbers in the tens and the ones are not changing at all. So we'll go ahead and leave those in, and then we'll go ahead and solve. So 5 plus 7 is 12. We put the 2 in the ones place and the 1 over here. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 more is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we're going to have the same pattern. 5 plus 7 is 12, regroup, and 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 3 is 7. So So we get 742 on that one. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we're going to regroup again. 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now, they should be seeing that the sum is exactly the same because we are adding 100 at the top, but we're also subtracting 100 from the bottom, so our sums will stay the same. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, write and solve an addition story for 482 plus 336. Again, the students can do whatever they would like to for this one. I'm not grading on writing because this is math, and I'm not grading on spelling. But I could say a bookstore sold 482 books on Monday and 336 books on Tuesday. How many books did the store sell on both days, I guess? Let's see. How many books did the store sell both days? And then we'll go through and I'm going to stack them. We'll see if we need to regroup and solve from there. 482 plus 336. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. We have to drop down the 1 in the ones place, regroup to the hundreds. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 more is 8, so 818. And then for our assessment, we have to figure out which digits go in which area. So we've got 4 blank digits and 4 cards. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And 5 plus 1 is 6. And 8 plus 2 is 8. Let's see, 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 8 is 11. So we know we've got to regroup that one. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4.